Hello. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to the Wrapped in Scraps channel. Excuse all my dark spots under my eyes because I didn't really do much but some eyebrows and some leftover eyeshadow that I should have wiped off but didn't. Anyhow, yeah, that looks crazy. Anyhow, I am going to be going home soon, but we had to venture out today because we had some things to do. First of all, we had to pick up Honey's gift. Second of all, we had to get our phone fixed because we dropped it yesterday and cracked the screen. Third of all, I had to get some more bubble bars because I already told you guys about the bubble bar situation. You guys already know. If you don't know, go back and look at my video about Luscious Bubble Bar. And I forgot what number I'm on, but now we have to go into Joann's. We're sitting outside of Joann's with all the elder, wonderful people. There's Joann's over there. And we got to go in there and get some more flowers that I don't want to get because I don't want to pay for them, but I need to pay for them because I need them anyway. I am returning these black feathery things over to World Market, but I forgot my receipt, but I think it's in their system. So I don't know if I want to take the energy to go in there first and try and get my money before I go in here and buy the flowers. So that way I'm spending the same money instead of spending more money. I don't know. It's just one of those days. It looked like it might rain. I need to get some umbrellas for the kids, yada, yada, yada. The story goes on, and I need my nails done. That's what's going on today on the Wrapped in Scraps channel. Welcome. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. My day is going all right. I'm here. I'm alive. I'm healthy. My kids are healthy. I can't really complain. Life happens, things happen, but God is still good. And my eyeshadow does not like me today, and I didn't put on any primer, and that's why it's doing what it's doing. But we're just gonna cover that and act like we don't see it for right now until we go up in this store and get what we need and come out, and we'll feel bad about it once we get home. But for right now, I already picked up the stuff I picked up, and we're gonna get this, and then we'll reconvene at the house. All right, see you in a minute. I know I said I'll send y'all at the house, but friends, I had to show you guys that the flowers at Joann's are 40% off, and that's really good if you're going to be doing some tablescapes, if you're going to be doing some spring decor. You might want to go ahead and get them while they're on sale. Why spend all your money if you don't have to? So you guys know I am about saving, okay? Repurpose, recycle, reuse, save your money. All right, you guys. Hello. We are back at the house, as you can see. It is a gloomy, weathery, rainy day outside. Let me show you. You see? It's gloomy. Okay. Just one of those days. Super gloomy. You see all the flowers on the bed. We're going to be putting those together. That I bring you along with me. I started on it. Don't get me. I just got in the moment. Started on it. Again, it's super dark. So we're going to put this vase together. Now my plan is to go high. I wanted it to at the least touch the ceiling up there. As you can see, the entrance of this portion of my room has like an arch, okay? And I wanted it to kind of go up on the wall. So if you're wondering why I have it up so high, my friend, that is why. And I got some roses. Don't ask me the name of some of these picks because I don't know. But I got them from Hobby Lobby's, Joann's, Michael's, Home Goods. They had a few. So I got a few from Home Goods. And we're going to place them together on here, okay? Let's get started. You and I, me and you, us and our, we and us and our. Let's do this. All right, so let's get started on this flower arrangement. First of all, make sure that you have a good foam base, okay? As you can see, maybe you can't see, but you'll see in the next one where I have a nice foam that I put inside of the vase. Make sure your vase is heavy enough to hold your flower arrangement and or put some rocks, beads, or whatever you want to put at the bottom of the vase to make sure that your vase is sturdy. So that's the first thing I did. That's part of the reason why I picked this vase. Excuse me while I dance for a minute. I was listening to some pretty good guy and Johnny Gill and all that good jazz. Anyhow, so make sure your vase is heavy enough to hold your arrangement. Now I put my foam in and I decided that I wanted my flowers to be very dramatic. I wanted some going up to your left, some going up around to your right, and then some going straight up. So my game plan was to put the black roses in the middle and then have the white flowers swooping around the side to your right, and then some of course swooping down from your left down to your right, going down, some going across, and then some going up. You want your flowers to go in different directions because that's what makes it interesting. Also, flowers like to corral together. I try to take some of the plastic off just so it's like that when I put it in there. You guys look, and let me just fix it the way I want it to lay. And actually, I'm pretty happy with that. So we're just gonna, I like to go on the side with these ones. On the side and down, okay? So I like to start with this one. Make sure you take the little tags off because we don't need those that's down there. Can y'all see that? Let me back up a little bit. So, just like that. All right. Now I'm gonna go with my tallest stems next. Okay. This again was left over from my granddaughter's, my daughter's wedding, and then a year or so later, my granddaughter's baby shower. So, let me see how I want this one. I think I want it just like that. Like the other one did. We find the front. There we are. There's the front. The front is whatever angle you like it at. That's the front. Between this one, because I kind of want them to use for a little bit more height in the back. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. We'll do it right here. Take off the tag. So we're gonna get our height going, and then here's our next one. Again, most of these continue, shall we? All right, so here we go again. I really wanted to just slow down a little bit so you guys can kind of understand why I was doing the height and the different things I was doing. I just wanted to explain that. So you got to see the foam that I didn't show in the first one. This is the second day. You guys see I look a hot mess because I wasn't going anywhere and I was at home just doing some chores, and no, I didn't feel like getting all dressed up, and so I did not. But we are still decoring this flower arrangement. It's going to be wonderful. It's really, really going to turn out really, really great. And you guys will see that in a minute. So here you just see me throwing in the black flowers again like we did on the first one. I didn't finish showing you guys the first one because I needed to get more flowers. Yes, but we will be finishing today. Today you will see the final result. So we're throwing in our flowers. I'm doing them almost like you would do on a domino, where it's like the 1, 2, 1 in the middle, then 2 at the bottom, almost like that, like the number 5 on a domino. So I'm doing that with the black ones. And then the best thing is when you don't have enough of something, or you feel that you don't want to spend more money on more flowers, throw in some greenery. That's going to help you. So next we're going in with our roses, and again, like I stated on the last one, we are doing this kind of going around the bouquet, almost as though you're taking like a towel or something and you have a bouquet in your hand and you're wrapping the towel around your hand and around the other side of the bouquet. That's kind of how I see it in my mind. Anyhow, my mind does things, and then I try and do it in real life, and sometimes it turns out well, sometimes it doesn't, but you will never know if you don't try. So in this case it turned out pleasantly, surprisingly wonderful. So I'm happy with it. You just see me here rearranging the flowers, trying to make sure that I have them where I want them. I'm going to make sure that I have some at different heights. You don't want all your flowers at the same height, otherwise it's going to look phony, okay? It will look fake. Even though these are fake flowers, it will look really truly fake if all your flowers are at the same level, same height, same depth, all that stuff. You want to make sure that you kind of mix them up. You want some high, you want some low, you want some to the left, some to the right. You don't want them all doing the same thing, or it's going to look very lifeless, okay? And we don't want that. Just trying to lean with it, rock with it, and we don't want it to do that. So I'm going to take one of my little leftover pieces and shove it down in the front to give it a little bit more stability, so it don't feel it needs to move forward. Okay. I would love to see some of your creations. If you guys want to share in the comment section any DIYs that you've recently done with the rest of us, I would love to see that. Or you can put it on my Facebook, Wrapped in Scraps on my Facebook. You can share it there. I would love to see your projects, what you're working on, and all that jazz, okay? So again, as you can see, I'm just fixing everything here. I want these roses to stand up correctly and do what they're told. And we're almost there, friends. We're almost done. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. Here is the finished pieces for the room, okay? We have 2 of them. We wanted to make sure we had 2 of them for the arch of the room, and I think they came out really, really good. I am happy with them. I could see something like this being in a hotel room. All right, family, so that's it for this video. I hope you were inspired or learned something. If not, I hope you just enjoyed the entertainment. Remember to stay wrapped in scraps, meaning repurpose, recycle, and reuse all parts of your life. Remember to stay loving you, stay loving God, stay loving life, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.